Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today. Price made the gap down, and then this was all occurring on well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on it, but really at the end of the day, you know, the story is over, and the story was this thing just turned out to be a pump and dump. What do I mean by that? Well, let's first just establish that the first part of any pump and dump, and I should take a step back. When I say pump and dump, I don't mean that the company's doing anything shady. I don't mean they're being run out of some bunker in South Korea, North Korea. I'm just saying that, you know what? From a price action perspective, based on how the prices acted, this was a total pump and dump. So under that premise, as far as where did the pump come into play? Well, let's give some credit where credit's due. When the price broke out from here and went all the way up there, that was a very, very, very impressive movement. That was a great movement. And then what happened? Well, next part of a pump and dump is usually this occurs in a very fast amount of time. So quite literally within basically 3 days, what did the price do? Well, after today, the price has gone and closed right here. Now, what's significant about where it closed right there? Well, if you correspond that back to where it was, I mean, the price has quite literally now gone right back to where it started. And at one point, it was actually even below where it started, but it did bounce back from that area. So as far as, you know, the past couple weeks and, you know, summarizing all that movement, that was just a pure pump and dump. Now, the interesting part is this one has shown it can move. So there's no doubt about, you know, because some stocks are like, is this thing even worth watching? Can it even make worthwhile movements? And this one has proven that it can. So in the event there is going to be any sort of, you know, another bounce or another recovery back to the upside, key level of resistance now becomes that 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at 56 cents. And then the key level of support right now, for no other reason other than the fact that that's where the bleeding finally stopped today, and that sits down there at 43 cents. So keep an eye on it going forward. But yeah, as far as the past couple weeks are concerned, just a pump and dump. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.